In this fourth video, we're going to take you through all the features included in the new export functionality. The new export functionality gives you more control over the output of your exported specification. This includes customizing your specification's cover page, choosing fonts and font sizes, adjusting line spacing, setting margins, and applying cleaner, more consistent formatting throughout the entire document. With these upgrades, you'll notice both familiar elements and new release improvements. If someone has previously exported their specification and saved their format setting, this is where you can reload those same export options. Doing so keeps each project's exports consistent across all issued versions. We recommend loading an existing export configuration to maintain a uniform look and feel throughout your project documentation. The export logic has been upgraded to run key checks and provide warnings on appendix information before you export. These alerts now appear earlier in the process, giving you time to resolve any issues before finalizing your export. You can now review your appendix documents at any point during the project, giving you the flexibility to remove or replace them as needed before returning to the export workflow. Each time you come back to export, you'll have the option to reuse and save your previous export settings. As before, you can choose which work sections to include in your export. While all sections are typically selected, you can also pick individual work sections whenever required. When selecting Cloud Issue, you will be prompted to assign it a name. This is so it can be referenced consistently by anyone who the specification is issued to. With this new update, it now allows you to select from a range of cover pages templates, or you can add your own cover page. On the cover page editor, the default project image is the one you uploaded when creating this project specification. If you wish to change the cover image with a new one, you can do so by uploading it here on the editor. You can crop and adjust the image using the new crop tool. Your changes will be displayed in real time on the preview section. Each change you make, including project details, can automatically be reflected on the cover page preview, so you can review the changes before you save your work. Branding controls allow you to hide or display your default company logo, or even upload a new one as required. You can adjust the logo size and choose to either display or hide the practice name in plain text by a flick of a toggle switch. This new release gives you greater control over the body text in your specifications. It's important to remember that any adjustments you make here can affect your page numbering. As mentioned earlier, saving your project's export configuration is the best way to maintain consistency. You can now customize the body text of your specification with a new range of font options, including font style, font size, and line spacing, so you can tailor the document to your preferences. We've also highlighted the recommended default settings to help you achieve the best export results. You can adjust the page margins by choosing from the options on the drop-down: normal, moderate, or narrow. You also have the ability to add custom text to your headers and footers. For example, you might include revision numbers in the header and your project documentation stage in the footer. All changes are shown instantly in the live preview on the right, making it easy to review and refine your formatting as you go. Before exporting, you can compare your new layout with the previous export settings to ensure your specification format remains consistent. To maintain that consistency, try to keep page numbering and layout changes to a minimum. If you ever want to return to the master spec standard format, simply click the Reset Defaults button. Once you're happy with the format, you can overwrite to save the export configuration for future exports. When everything is ready, click the Export Now button. Your specification is being generated as a PDF, and you can review the document as usual. We have also worked hard to improve the export formatting within the export logic. Page breaks are now applied more intelligently to keep headings, contents, and clauses together, making your specifications easier to read. Remember to save your export configuration. Each project can have its own formatting settings, giving you the flexibility to apply different styles to different specification types. We recommend testing these export styles on completed projects to find the look you prefer, then saving that configuration as your default for future exports. We think you'll appreciate the added flexibility in this new export functionality. As always, MasterSpec values your feedback, and we welcome your thoughts on this release and any future enhancements.